Charisma SEG banner stand assembly instructions. This tool-free fabric banner stand can be assembled by one person. Before you begin, lay out all your pieces and components. Each stand will contain 2 graphics, 1 Charisma Air top section, 1 upright pole, and 1 Charisma Air bottom section with a pre-attached base. Let's begin by placing the bottom section with the pre-attached base on the ground. Take the upright pole and carefully unfold so that you can connect the 2 sections. There is a bungee cord inside connecting the 2 upright sections, so be careful during this step. Once the pole sections are connected, place the side with the single spring button into the receiving part of the base. Push the spring button in and then press down on the pole until the spring button pops out of the receiving hole. Next, grab the top crossbar and attach to the top end of the pole. As before, push the spring button in and then pull down on the top section until the spring button pops out of the receiving hole. Now let's install the graphic. Make sure you're working on a clean surface. Let's begin with the bottom. Unroll just a few inches of the graphic and then insert the gasket into the channel of the bottom section, with the fabric facing the floor as shown. Press into the channel inch by inch and work your way down the bottom section, like playing a piano. The white part of the graphic should be facing the upright. Do not slide your fingers across, as that might bunch up the graphic to one side. Now you can carefully unroll the rest of the graphic to install the top. The art should be facing out. Same as before, insert the gasket into the channel. Press into the channel inch by inch and work your way down the top section. Reminder, do not slide your fingers across, as that might bunch up the graphic to one side. The gasket should not be visible once the graphic is installed. Put one hand on each side of the graphic and gently pull apart to smooth out the graphic. Now let's do the same exact thing on the other side. Grab your second graphic and start at the bottom. Unroll just a few inches and insert the gasket into the channel. Press, press, press all the way across. Then carefully unroll the rest of the graphic to install the top. The art should be facing out. Gasket into the channel and press, press, press until you've installed it all the way across. Once fully installed, adjust the graphic as needed to get it straight. Finally, reach in between the graphics and push on the spring button 10 inches below the top of the stand. This will pop up the upright and give extra tension to make the graphics nice and taut. And just like that, you're done. Thanks for watching.